Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change language on Netflix. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. So for that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address option, enter here netflix.com. This will take you to the official web page of the Netflix app. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now, scroll down and tap on this Help Center option. Tap on this What do you need help with option above and enter here change language. Now you can tap on how to change the language on Netflix option. Tap on read article, scroll down and tap on change Netflix display language. So here you can see that on an iPhone, iPad, Android phone or even tablet, you can change the language by tapping on the profile icon or menu and then tapping manage profile, select the profile you want to edit and then you can tap the display language and select the language as per your wish. And even on other devices, you can select account, select a profile, select language and select the display language and then select save. So if you want to change audio and subtitle language, you can tap on it and then you can see that even you can go there and change it through manage profiles option and then setting it through audio and subtitles language. So this is how you do it. This is how you change language on Netflix. I hope I have just guided you to the correct place and you can successfully change it through these guidelines. So I hope to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.